So let me just start off by saying that I don't mention nothing except for the time it takes to cook something. I don't know why I just don't. I just kind of like freestyle it. So let's get into the salmon Alfredo. So what I did was I measured some heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, a little bit of butter, one avocado. I seasoned it to taste. You season it however you see fit, with the amount of seasoning you see fit. Make sure you mix it together on medium in a pan. And then you're going to get another pan and go ahead and melt some butter. Salted, unsalted, margarine, real butter, whichever you choose. And you're going to go ahead and saute some shrimp. It's seafood. I do not believe in cooking seafood, like overcooking seafood, because it's no point. It doesn't need to cook that long. So I usually cook my shrimp for about 3 to 5 minutes evenly. In that same pan, you can go ahead and saute some mushrooms. You don't have to rinse the pan out. Leave the taste there. I went on and added some mozzarella cheese to the simmering Alfredo sauce. Mix it up in there real good till it's blended well. Of course, you know we gotta get a little taste in. I went on and poured my sauteed mushrooms in there. I did not drain all the water off to kind of thin the Alfredo sauce out a little bit, and added some spinach to accent it. Went on and seasoned up some salmon with your seasoning of choice. And we're going to braise the salmon on the flesh side. Keep the flesh side down. Do not keep flipping the salmon. I went on and put some garlic over on the sides, sprinkled some lemon juice on it. Do not put the garlic under the salmon. That's just going to leave burned pieces of garlic on your salmon, and it's going to get stuck. It don't look good. Cover it, let it cook, skin side down, about 10-12 minutes. I went on and added my lentil pasta to the pan, accented it with the shrimp, to the bowl, accented it with the shrimp and a little bit of the sauce. Go ahead and lay the salmon on there, and then accent it with the sauce. This is just for presentation purposes. This plate didn't look nothing like this when I ate it.